Hi friends. Welcome to another learning video on Pharmaguideline. Today we shall discuss installation qualification. Installation qualification is a process that is part of the validation process in the pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, and medical device industries. It is a documented evidence-based process that ensures that equipment and systems are installed correctly and meet predetermined specifications. The purpose of installation qualification is to verify that the installation of a piece of equipment and system has been carried out in accordance with approved design and installation specifications. IQ is typically performed after equipment or systems have been delivered to the installation site, but before they are used for production or testing. Let us know the key steps in an installation qualification process. There are 5 key steps. First is document review. Reviewing and verifying that all relevant documents, such as equipment design specifications, installation procedures, and drawings, are complete, accurate, and approved. The second one is inspection and verification. Inspecting the physical installation of the equipment or system to ensure that it has been correctly installed, aligned, and connected according to the approved design and installation specifications. This may involve checking for proper positioning, alignment, leveling, grounding, and connection of utilities such as electrical, water, air, and gas. Third is functional testing. Conducting functional tests to ensure that the installed equipment or system operates as intended and meets predetermined specifications. This may involve running test cycles, checking instrument readings, verifying software settings, and performing other tests to validate proper operation. The fourth one is documentation and reporting. Documenting all findings and results of the installation qualification process, including any deviations or discrepancies identified, and preparing a comprehensive report that summarizes the IQ activities and outcomes. The last one is review and approval. Reviewing the IQ documentation and obtaining appropriate approvals from relevant stakeholders, such as quality assurance personnel, before proceeding to the next stage of the validation process. The successful completion of an installation qualification process provides documented evidence that the equipment or system has been installed correctly and is ready for further validation activities, such as operational qualification and performance qualification, which focus on verifying that the equipment or system performs consistently and reliably within its intended operating range. IQ is an important step in ensuring that equipment and systems used in regulated industries meet the required quality and compliance standards. A link to download the sample installation qualification protocol is given in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon to get regular updates. Thanks for watching this video.